In my previous video, I have told you what is the meaning of lens and what are the various types of lens. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you basic terms that is important related to the lens study. So, what are these terms? First one is optical center. What is optical center? As it is clear that it is a center point of a lens is known as optical center. In contrast of convex lens, this point, and for concave lens, this point is known as optical center. And optical center is denoted by C. Sometimes it is also denoted by term O. So you may use any one. I am going to teach with the letter C. So it is denoted by the letter C. There is a special property that is related to optical center, that any ray which is passing through optical center goes straight without any bending, without any deviation, goes straight. It means either any one line out of infinite that are passing through C goes undeviated, goes straight. Same is the case here. All the rays go straight without any deviation. So it is optical center property. Okay. So next term is principal axis. What is principal axis? That is a line. Axis means that is a line that is passing through optical center. Optical center means I may use either C or O. It is a line that is passing through C. But through C, infinite numbers of lines are passing. That is also perpendicular to surface of lens. Perpendicular to lens surface or. Okay. So what is principal axis? Now, this one is our convex lens. This one is our optical center. A ray that is passing through C and perpendicular to the surface, this surface. And the second surface is this surface. Perpendicular to the surface is known as principal axis. We can represent it by x dash, y dash. Same is the case with the concave lens. This one is our concave lens. It is our optical center that is represented by C. First surface, second surface, a ray which is passing through C and perpendicular to two surfaces is known as principal axis, denoted by x dash and C dash. Now third one is aperture. What is aperture of a lens? Aperture of a lens is the region of lens through which refraction takes place. It is region of a lens through which reflection of light takes place, or I may call it is the region through which light passes. The region through which light passes is known as aperture. How it is represented? It is represented by diameter of lens. Diameter of lens. So how can you represent aperture in case of convex lens? This is the aperture. And for the concave lens, again this is the aperture. So optical center, principal focus and aperture, it must be clear to you. Now, after learning these three terms, we will learn what is principal focus and focal length. But for dealing principal focus and focal length, I will teach you both the lenses separate. First convex lens and then concave lens. So, fourth and fifth property that we are going to learn. Firstly, fourth, that is principal focus. But first, I am teaching it for convex lens. What is principal focus of a convex lens? It is a point on the which axis? On the principal axis at which light rays parallel to principal axis actually meet after passing through lens. Which lens? Which lens we are dealing? We are dealing convex lens through lens. So, what is principal focus? This one is our lens. Which lens it is? It is a convex lens. This one is our aperture of lens. That is optical center. A line axis which is perpendicular to the lens surface and passing through optical center is principal axis, denoted by x dash and y dash. So what it is? It is principal axis. So if there are a large number of rays which are parallel to principal axis, light rays parallel to principal axis, after passing through lens, which lens? Convex lens, they meet, they get converged at a point, and this point is known as principal focus. Firstly, focus means a single point. It is a point which is on the principal axis, so it is known as principal focus. It is denoted by symbol F. Okay. Now, if the rays, in spite of coming from left, rays are coming from left, they get converged at a point F. But if the rays are coming from right it means arrow. These rays, after passing through lens, meet at a point. This is again a focus, but this focus is represented by F dash. So I can say here there are two focus of a convex lens. Plural of focus is foci. So a convex lens is having two foci, F and F dash. This one is F from left if it is, and this one is right. Okay, if lights are coming from right, it is F dash. Now, what is the focal length? Focal length is the length of focus. Length of focus means it is the distance, it is the separation between optical center and principal focus. Between optical center C and principal focus F. So, it is known as focal length. So, here first focal length is CF. CF, that is F1. Because focal length is represented by small letter F. So, it is F1. F1 means first focal length. It is first principal focus. First principal focus. And its separation is first focal length F1. Here, it is second principal focus F dash. Second principal focus, that is known as focal length, second focal length. So CF dash is F2. The case in which we are going to learn about lenses, we are treating F1 equal to F2. It means both the focal length are equal. F1 equal to F2. So a convex lens is having two foci. F1 and F2 both are the focal length which are equal. Now, since all the rays that are passing parallel to principal axis actually converging, actually meeting at a point F. All the rays are actually meeting at a point F. That's why convex lens is known as converging lens. Convex lens is known as converging lens because the rays which were actually parallel to principal axis meet at a point, get converged. Nature is converging nature. So, whenever there is question, what is the nature of a convex lens? Convex lens is converging in nature. Nature, okay, converging nature. But why it is converging in nature? Because the rays parallel to principal axis, when passes through convex lens, they meet at a point. So, its nature is converging nature. Now, next question that may be asked, that is, what is the focus nature of convex lens? Convex lens focus. Rays are meeting actually. Rays are meeting actually at a point. So, its focus is real focus. So, what is the nature of focus? Focus is real focus. And what is the nature of lens? That is converging nature. Why? Because rays are meeting actually. So, we have learned about principal focus of convex lens. Now, what will we learn? We will learn about concave lens. All these terms we are going to learn about concave lens. So, what is concave lens? Concentrate here. Which are the terms we are going to change? Concave lens. Concave lens. Principal focus of a concave lens. What it is? It is a point on the principal axis at which light rays parallel to principal axis appear to coming. Parallel to principal axis appear to coming or appear to come from a point on the principal axis. This point is known as principal focus. So how can you understand principal focus in case of a concave lens? This one is our concave lens. This one is optical center, aperture, that is principal axis. How to represent? X dash and Y dash. Okay. Now, rays which were parallel to principal axis before refraction, when they pass through concave lens, they appear to come. It means they are diverging in forward direction in such a way that it seems that they are coming from this point. It means they appear to coming from a point, that is a point on principal axis. It is known as principal focus. Now, as in previous case we have discussed, it's not compulsion that light rays are coming from left. If rays are coming from right, when these rays pass through concave lens, they diverge in forward direction. It appears that they are coming from a point, and this point is known as principal focus. So there are two focus. So as to name them, I am calling it F and this one F dash. So again there are two foci. Foci means plural of focus. F and F dash. What about focal length? Focal length is the separation between optical center and principal focus. It means it is the separation, it is the distance between optical center C and principal focus F. In first case, it is CF. In the second case, it is CF dash. Okay. Now, focal length is represented by small letter F. So, it is first focal length. I am calling it F1 and this one F2. So, there are two focal length F1 and F2. The reason in which we are going to learn about concave lens, we are having both the focal length equal. So, F1 equal F2. Okay. Now, what is the nature of concave lens? Nature. The rays which were parallel to principal axis when passes through concave lens, they diverge in forward direction. Diverge means they spread in forward direction. So, its nature is diverging nature. Nature is diverging nature. Why it is known as diverging nature? Because the rays which were parallel to principal axis diverged, spread in forward direction. Now, next question is, what is about focus? Whether its focus is real or virtual. The rays are not actually coming from focus F. Rays are not actually coming from focus F or meeting at of focus F. That's why its focus is not real. It is having virtual focus. So, we have learned each and every basic term so as to start our topic that how the image formation takes place through lenses. So, learn this concept. Understand this concept. If you are having any query, you may comment me. I will reply. So, be with me so as to learn how the image formation takes place by lenses. Till then, goodbye.